Hi all, myself Dr. Purnima Sangwan, and topic is diabetes mellitus, and it is the second part of web series of diabetes. And without wasting the time, let's start it. So today topic is very interesting and very short and very informative. That is the Indian Diabetic Risk Score. So why this topic is needed because WHO declare India will become the diabetic capital by 2025. It is a very dangerous and alarming sign because diabetes is a fatal disease and it have no sign and symptoms in earlier phases. So this score help you to find diabetes even you are not, because it suggests the risk group, what risk you are having to have the diabetes. So benefit of this score are, it is very easy to use in all the clinic and all the hospitals. Even the patient who are watching this video, they can also judge their risk score, and it is at zero cost and it by scoring method, and it is a proven method because it is found by the Chennai Diabetic Research Foundation, and it can identify the high risk group people before the onset of diabetes itself. So it is very useful. So it raises the awareness in such kind of risk groups, so they can change their daily lifestyle and food habits in initial phases only. And it can be the life-saving thing also, because diabetes, I told it, dangerous disease and very much complicated complication can occur very much severe. So it is useful for all. So let's understand this score very much easily and very much fastly. So the first thing is, if your score is equal to and greater than 60, then it is you are at high risk group. And if your score will come 30 to 50, then you are at moderate risk group. And if your score will come less than 30, then you are at the low risk group. So these are the three categories. So it is not like, so if you are having low at score below 30, you don't will become the diabetes in your future, because it is a lifestyle disorder. You can get that if you have the sedentary lifestyle and your food habits are not good. So these all three groups, they have to be cautious about their living. So but high risk group and moderate risk group will work on that more. So let's quickly have a look on the 4 factor on which we can judge our score. That is the age, waist circumference, physical work and family history. So let's start with age. First, as we are seeing the age factor, so the age below 35, you are having the age, then score will be 0. If you are having the age 35 to 49 in between, the score will be 20. And if you are age greater than 50, then score will be 30. So here one point which is very important: type 1 diabetes can occur in early age also, that is below 35. But if you are not having the family history, then that also will not happen. So usually below 35 of age, it is usually considered that you are at low risk group. Next one is waist circumference, that can be very easily measured at home with the inch tape. So that is different in male and female both. If you are less than 80 centimeter, that criteria came, then it will be, and in the men it will be less than 90 centimeter, then score will be 0. And if it is between 80 to 89 centimeter, and in male 90 to 99 centimeter, then score will be 10. And if it is greater than 90 in female and greater than 100 in male, then score will be 0. So you can, as I told, and you are seeing in this thing also on the screen also, male and female both can easily measure the waist circumference at home very easily. Physical activity, third point, that is everybody is doing work, so it is also included in this factor. The first is, if you are doing the vigorous work or strenuous work like laborers are doing, and not only the laborers, a middle class family or middle upper class family, socioeconomic status and high class socioeconomic status, and everybody can do this type of physical activity, then score will be 0. Second one, if you are doing moderate exercise, then score will be 10, and if you are doing the mild exercise, then score will be 20, and if you are doing doing no exercise, then the score will be 30. Means always the sedentary lifestyle if you are having, then score will be 30. And next factor is family history. If no family history, then score will be 0. And if one parent having the diabetes, then score will be 10. And if both parent having the diabetes, then score will be 20. And the detail about that, because all these are the causes of the diabetes that I discussed in the previous video. For that you can see my previous video for all this detailing. Okay, next thing, how you can find your score. It is very easy. You just have to go through with all the points, 4 points, and then you have to give yourself your score according to all these mentioned criterias. So suppose you get the score 10 plus 20 plus 0 plus 4 according to the 4 questions. So the answer will be 40. So you at the moderate risk group. And same you can apply for the high risk group also and low risk group also. So what is your diabetic score? You can find it now very much easily, and please write that in the comment section. For your convenience, I will repeat this slide. This is the scorecard of your diabetic, and if your score between the 32 and greater than 60, so then immediately it's need to go to the doctor and change your lifestyle, diet habit and daily physical activities to prevent the diabetes, that it cannot occur to you, and you can give yourself primordial and primary prevention in the earlier stages only. And such kind of primary and primordial prevention and diet and lifestyle in all the kind of stages of diabetes I will discuss in the upcoming videos. Hope you enjoyed this knowledgeable session, and you can easily now at home only can find your diabetic risk score. And if you like the video, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.